Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Honda VTX1300S. This is the retro style with the spoke wheels, big bore, touring cruiser, Vtwin, liquid cooled, gorgeous bike, nice heavyweight cruiser with a beautiful metallic burgundy color. Quick release windscreen, rider floorboards, passenger and rider backrests. It's got saddlebags, shaft drive, 2 brand new tires, just serviced. This bike sounds fantastic. It's got an awesome sounding Vance & Hines exhaust system. $42.99. Yeah, that's right. It's all this for just $42.99. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Wow. Sounds great. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.